The reason why I signed up to my Meaningful Life programme is that I am coming out of period of being a full-time parent, and I needed to find out who I actually was, because I've been a mum for so long, and also there's a bonus of a menopause workshop, which I definitely need to go and do. Well, now having gone through the programme, I'm looking at my future a lot more positively, and knowing that I am going to get there no matter how difficult the steps are. I'll make my way through every one of them and I will get there. I'm more aware of how I think and feel, and also I know what my end goal at the moment is, and that means that each step that I'm going to take is really super easy and very exciting to take, and it's not a difficulty like it was before. I've been telling people it's some of the best money I've ever spent on myself. There always will be bits there which I can go back to and look at and work on, and saying no nicely, it works a treat. I'm going to remember that one forever more. If there's anyone out there who was thinking about it and wasn't sure about the purpose in life, I would say come along and do this, because you'll learn a lot about yourself. The content's great, the group's great, and yeah, you'll just find a huge benefit.